Okay.
Wait. Careful hand on the snout. Could you? These dinosaurs are still exist, but there aren't very many on them. If you want to find one, you're gonna have to first give us respect, and then trust him.
The end.
No.
There's more. Wait a minute.
There's still more.
He's pausing for dramatic effect.
Yeah.
There's still more dragons you might meet tonight. The night fear. Speed unknown. Light unknown. It's true.
Oh my God, you could be an evangelist.
Still is a beauty dragon. Their wings span is 20 feet. It breathes fire, but it can't set itself on fire. Its tail can launch, but it isn't. Now it's time for grunts. These things are tough, and they eat rocks.
Eat rocks?
It's true.
Is it true?
Yes, it is.
It's true.
Grunkles are very tough. They have spikes and look like the end of a spike. I mean, I found that on the internet.
So it's gotta be true. Right?
I found it in a book of Class Dragons and it still exists.
Oh, wow. Oh, what?
Class Dragons still exist.
Oh, cool. Pretty good. Yeah, that was a good
And
story.
there's still some pretty Class Dragons that you
Like, I'm done.
might
Part two.
not know.
I like that show, though.